Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today I'm going to be doing some practice laps in the yard with my Lizard 95. There's a 2-inch or a micro race this weekend on Friday night down in Denver at the Dome. You guys will see me there, and I actually want to try and race my Lizard if I can. I've just been racing my brushless Whoop, but I want to give this guy a chance because this is actually the reason I bought it in the first place. So I'm just going to do a real quick basically 8 track. I'm just going to go straight around the tree, back through, and then come back through again, do some laps, and get some practice in. Hope you enjoy the footage.